boy, dog. My boy runs.
This one's a nice one.
Yeah, it's dope.
Pretty sick, huh?
Where'd you put the other one?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know you came in like that.
He's on another one.
Yeah, these ones are sick. These ones go a little like
28 miles.
they go faster, but they take longer to get up. You get like
The other one, huh?
That one
This
gets
over
up.
here goes faster.
mine. No, they initially go
This
faster.
one goes faster. It seems like it.
No, it kicks up quicker.
That one?
Yeah, this one kicks up quicker.
I felt like that one was
The
faster.
ladies' bike, it's a problem when the ladies' bike kicks up quicker.
Yeah.
No, those ones are sick though. They go fucking. They're tinkering with them, trying to get that next generation up.
Leaning out bad, huh? Leaning out.
Yeah, check them out.
That's what I said. I'm like, he's tan.
Fight weight, baby, fight weight. We just need someone to sign a contract.
Oh yeah.
So you see how it's in? And then look at this one doesn't have that.
You still feel it right now? I mean, do you still?
Nice to meet you.
Buddy. Good? You're right. You're a little fucking, you're walking like you're gonna kick somebody's ass. Take it easy. Take it easy, man. Relax, bro.
He's ready to fight.
You see how you walk chest
You wanna
out,
fight him?
push it out? He's gonna somebody up. 82 fucking hours.
Matty, give me Matty boy.
Look at that. Look at that good face. Good posture.
Got my carnal right here in the house right here. Got my carnal right here.
There we go.
Ah, shit. About to lump Orlando up right now. Got to kick it off with the dead game, just a little bit. Orlando's gonna try to take my head off. Haven't been in here for a month or two. 2 months, I think, almost.
I've been practicing just to
Hey, hey.
What's up, bro? I follow you around. I follow you around, bro.
Beast, legend right here, legend.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Legend.
Yeah, man. Been ever since that slam at Tony's, I've been following you, bro. Good to meet you, Christian. Pleasure.
Yeah, that was no joke.
Yeah. You handled that.
Yeah.
You handled that like a beast.
No injuries, nothing.
I know.
Yeah.
I saw it. I was like,
Just the win. I got the win.
dude, you got the strength.
Yeah.
See, and you know how to fall. So many people, even if you have strength, and if you don't know how to fall, you don't know when to tighten up, you don't know how to tighten up. And I think that's how I've never gotten injured, is that I know how to like take a slam. And I think that's what helps you get to the top and stay at the top.
You got to be there. So Tony, I hit him up. He's like, yeah, whenever, come back. So beginning of June, I'm gonna go back. But I think I'm gonna get the feel of the ramp. He's like, yeah, come pump on the ramp and get the feel.
If I come, I'll help you like in your mind. See, it's a mental thing.
Yeah.
It's not like anything other than technique.
Okay.
It's like you lift,
Right. All technique.
it's technique.
Yeah.
Arm wrestling, technique.
Right.
Like strength is a big part of it.
Yeah.
But technique, I know the best in the world.
Oh no, you're the best. in the
Alan
world.
Fisher, right?
Yeah.
Alan Fisher,
Yeah.
the best arm wrestler.
Yeah.
He told me it's technique, Christian. And I'm like, I add that to everything that I do, and I've been adding it since Bruce Lee, being my idol, and it was all technique, and then creating energy, creating power.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because look, he's a $135. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you can't play with that.
No.
Yeah,
Hell
because
no.
he knows where to generate it from, and I think that's how applied it to skateboarding,
Yeah.
and I'm sure that's how you guys do it for everything you do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But you better invite me.
Oh no, for sure.
Better invite me.
I will.
I better get that invite. It's right here on camera.
Gotta get it at straightcartel.com. The dead game. New flavor, baby. Bomb. My long lost bro right here, Orlando. Lee's papa. So we're carnals. That's why Lee's my nephew, you know. But yeah, we got a little one in, hit the bag a little bit, warmed up, came in here and just moved around and burned some calories. Haven't been in here for a minute. You know, just been busy. Too busy, you know, buying whips, yeah. You know, a couple little injuries. You guys know I don't like to dwell on injuries because we all get them. It's how we bounce back, right, Orlando? It's how we bounce back. So I don't put too much pressure on the injuries, man. I just get through them and we bounce back. But yeah, it was good just to get a nice sweat on. Nothing crazy. Nothing where we're trying to go full blast or feed our egos. Nothing, man. Just having a good time.
Getting the sweat,
and getting the sweat on and trying to improve. I'm a novice, you know. Orlando's basically a pro. You have 8 pro fights.
7 pro fights. Yeah.
7 pro fights.
7-0, baby.
7-0, man. So it's an honor to get in here and mess around with Orlando, man. It's always a good time, and he definitely knows how to just put pressure, but not try to kill me or anything like that. So it's mutual, man. It's real good.
Wait and see what happens with this guy. Wait and see.
We'll
Develop a killer, baby.
We'll see, baby.
I want to know who wants to smoke. That's what I want to know. I want to know who wants to smoke.
I don't know. But yeah, no, we're here with Matty Matheson. Matheson, right? Matty Matheson, and about to get a grub on.
Patties, baby.
You know he gets down. If you guys ever seen his channel, he gets down. He does some crazy birria too. He gets down. So I can't wait to go eat some meat out there. And go check it out, man, here at Ruka, one and only. They always got the best in the house. Christian, who else? Luke, Cheeto, Pat, Matty.
Here.
I mean, everybody's here, man. Pro surfers, the Beshans, you know, and they're from SC, representing hometown. So, nothing but love out here.
How's stopping? Yeah.
Disc brakes. Right?
Here.
Hit the throttle.
Oh, you just hold it?
Yeah?
Yeah, baby.
You want to use it?
Go ahead, Orlando. Jump on this one.
Oh shit. Let me go. I'll go race his ass.
Well, yeah, race him.
Oh shoot, another big dog.
Bro, this is sick.
Yeah, they're sick. Orlando says he's gonna race you.
Orlando.
Yeah. The starting line. Official starting line.
Bad boy.
Vroom,
Vroom, motherfucker.
Vroom, vroom.
Ready?
Bad dude. That one is faster, the black one, huh?
Well,
to start.
I put it on the 15th.
Oh, you did?
On the 30th.
Are you gonna change gears on that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, he takes the victory.
Got
I'm
you.
fatter.
My kind of bike.
Yeah.
This is definitely
This
my
is the
kind
state
of
fat bike.
Oh, I know. That thing is just.
Right?
That thing is.
Here. Who's that?
Just to let you know.
That thing's sick. How much they go for it?
You guys, just content.
Couple G's?
Yeah.
Content all time.
All the time.
Well, we got pork butts in there right now, but we're gonna add. What time is it now? 2. At 3 o'clock, we're gonna start. We got like tomahawks, hanger steaks, chicken, all that shit. Yeah, pork. We got big pork chops.
Tomahawks?
Yeah, we got a bunch of tomahawks, everything.
Bomb.
Yeah, at 3 o'clock it's gonna go.
Mexicano carne, homie. Peek, let's get a peek of this thing.
It's like 275.
Look at that. Damn. I need one of those. Damn.
I just want to take a big old bite off that pork butt.
No, man.
Big pork butt.
I should look. Woo. Our Perillo can cook, but can he cook like Matty?
And then we'll grill them all.
Twice
Make
as
them
good as
crispy.
Matty.
I see what I want Perillo to make me is that lasagna.
Even Matty wants
Oh,
to
really?
Yeah. Hey, what do you want me to make you?
Come.
I got caught double fisting. You know what happened? And this is the last beer. I'm like, fuck, I should say, no, it's okay, it's the last one. Fuck that.
It's hot.
Like a fucking glove. Oh, my hop though. Oh, the neck is up. You gotta start that thing out.
It's alright, huh? Feel like Matty, we're twins.
A little ways off. These quick, because these are like pretty much done.
selling lady food. Fucking assholes.
Look at him, look at him.
Look me.
I follow Luke's lead. Look at his eye. What is this, carne right here?
Carne, muérdela. Muérdela, papi. A ver, déjame cómo te comes el hueso. Déjame cómo te comes el hueso.
Man, shit's bomb. Fire. It's not hype. It's real. Bomb. Bomb.
Easy, big boy. This muscle, it's a few of those. Yeah, four. One is nothing. That's just an appetite. Oh, she's waiting. She's waiting. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it.
That chicken though. That chicken though. You're not eating anything?
Not right now. I'm feeling good.